Hello, Pestilence here, and this is a cupcake display. I'm hoping that there's not too much glare off of, there we go. Come on, focus in. So I bought this cupcake display on eBay for the purpose of displaying my smaller padlocks. And as you can see, uh, I've got on each shelf some of the different types. It's got a lock here. Okay. Now, there are different ways you can display these. Another way would be to get something like, well, I'll take that. They make plate holders and displays like this only for smaller items, and then you can put whatever you have. Of course, I can't really show you with some of these things, but you'd have to get a really small one for something like that. They have a lot of different options online, things that aren't made for padlocks for displaying them, but you could still use them. And so, let's see, I'll take that out there. And this is going to be a kind of a pain. Whoops. So you could put something like this on a display like that. This won't exactly hold it, but well, you get my drift, I hope. Try to get that back in there without scratching things up. That, of course, is if you want to raise them up off of from lying down, so you have it standing up. Obviously, not all of these will stand up. Some are round, and others are rounded, like this piece here. And so that one's not going to stand up on its own. It would go on its side, but and then of course these different combination locks, if you want it to stand up, then you have to get some kind of small display to hold it. And so on the top shelf I've got some of my combination locks. There's the French one back there. These I have the 6-wheel, 5-wheel, 4-wheel, and 3-wheel. And, I'm not sure if they're French or if they're English. I know that there are some that the English made that are like that in the style of the French one, like that. So, it could be either or. Then I've got the Chinese made one here, and then in the back there's the German lock. And these are the Imperial Russian padlocks. And I did find one that had a key, and it works, whereas these other ones either the shackles are stuck in place or the shackles, I tried to open one. Excuse me. I tried to open one of them and it ended up breaking the shackle off. So, and then of course I've got on the other shelf, I've got the lock there, the English lock. That's supposed to be from 1590. And then I've got the trick padlock there. And then these are, I believe, from the Byzantine era. They're quite rusty. And then of course I've got the Chinese cabinet lock and the mystery lion. And I'd be lying if I told you exactly where it was from. It seems to be a different opinion from the different locks. I have found 4 others online being offered by different galleries and such, and each one had a different description. Several of them said that it was from the 18th century. One said from the 19th century. One said that it was Persian. One said that it was Indian. Another one said that it was Mughal, which they had control of a large portion of India, the Mughal Empire, or Mughal. There are different spellings. And another one said it was an Islamic lock. So just a whole lot of different people saying a whole lot of different stuff. But at least the tail is where it's supposed to be. So there. Now, of course, these are not all of my locks. And I have a bunch of others. I've got a whole lot of American locks that are, 18. Well, everything from Civil War era up to more modern times. And I also have the Viking padlocks. And what else? I've got another Chinese lock that I've showed you before, the one that's looks like a fish. But get that locked up, keep it nice and secure. This is just one way of showcasing what you have. Now, what I will do is show you some other different ways. I have planned a way to showcase one of my Viking padlocks. And so we'll see how the finances are and then go from there. I do have some of my American locks on display, and I'll have to show that on another day. And what I used to display those is an old spice rack. And then I've been thinking about getting a CD, DVD rack, a tall one with shelves in it, and I could use that for displaying some of my my other locks. And so, hope you found this informational. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.